Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Sami here.
Yeah, Julia here.
And today we are going to Xiaomi Shenzhen flagship store and hands-on Mi MIX2S and Mi gaming laptop, and also the Mi AI speaker mini, if they have this new product. But first things first, if you haven't subscribed to our channels, mine and Julia's, please subscribe, because Julia and I are always working hard, and each time we make sure we are the first to do this hands-on videos in English, and we always answer questions. We answer each questions about this product. So we deserve your subscription, your comment, and your like, right? Okay. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Sami here. So this is Julia, and what we have now is the Mi MIX2S, and this is the 6 gigabytes plus 128 gigabytes one, which sold 3,599 RMB. So in this video, we are going to include its design and also the comparison with the Mi MIX2. Also, VIP version iPhone 8 Plus, which I bought 7 days ago. And the gaming test, what's more important is the camera test. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. So this is the front panel. We have the front camera here. The power key and the volume key. The great changes compared with the Mi MIX2. Mi MIX2 is the back camera, which is vertical now, and it's dual AI camera, which consists of 12 megapixel wide-angle lens and 12 megapixel telephoto lens. This is the fingerprint scanner. SIM card slot, and Type-C, speaker, and the mic. This is the internal storage, 128 gigabytes.
这个的话是2017年11月份。
Check it out.
但是如果你不玩游戏，你不运行那种大型，就说如果说你玩游戏也没有任何问题的呀，都没有任何问题。
It feels good, but the only problem is because it's made of ceramic, so it's easier to gather fingerprint those smudges. But with a case, everything can be covered. This is the white color of Mi MIX2, the VIP version. Has有点差别。This VIP version, you can see this is the full Unibody. Like this, has 3 faces.
我不是小米的员工。
是有一种方案。
你好。对。
选菜单，一般它都会自动识别那个菜单。所以菜单要查看后台是吧
OK， 开始吧。
查看后台的话，从底下拉到中间拉慢一点。
去哪里旅行了？ 开始。
新品的话都在这里。
哎呦。
OK， i8快一点，重新来，在手机淘宝。
两款的区别是这样的，从外观来说的话，
没有，就这样看。不是对比这个，你的外观也是一样的嘛？
外观的话长得是一样，
差不多。
材料不一样，它这个后盖跟边端都是陶瓷嘛，很整齐。然后这个是陶瓷，那边框是一个韩国。
这样的那个大众点评。
两款的边框彩色。
大众点评啊。
像
这个再加一个。
这个。
我感觉 i8 还是快一点。
对 ，i8 快点。
iPhone 8 Plus is faster。哎，举例啊！
这是5.99，对，5.99，屏幕一样，屏幕不一样。就说这个里面，我们这一款呢是和腾讯进行了深度合作的网络平台，所以说你玩体验线的体验度的话是非常好的，和腾讯合作的。
Okay, let's check it.
真的是腾讯合作的。
这个黑色的好看一点，长得有点丑。
哪里有点丑啊？
我觉得黑色后面好看一点。
不是这个
各有各的特色吧，各有各的特色。
黑色拿起来比较大气。
各有各自的喜好，是吧？
脏嘛？
陶瓷的一擦就掉了，怎么会脏呢？
我都是黑的，你看。
对啊，而且你一般用手机都会。
Switch. And if you wanna enter into the portrait mode, you have to enable this icon here. Now it's in portrait mode. Please don't click portrait here, because this button is only for the back camera. And then you can see all these numbers. It's different beautify and advanced. You have different modes. Big eyes, tone. What is tone? I hope you can see the difference. Another way, turn your camera upside down because the camera is here. Now it's much easier. Big eyes. Guys, did you see my eyes getting bigger? No, still not. Still not. 哪里可以看到什么帧率什么的了吗？哪里看到什么帧率呢？
是什么东西？
就是那个，比如说几十帧的那种，看不到是吗？那我看到那个。
高配版有吗？你是指399的那款吗？对，那款没有。也不能预售是吧？这边那个除非你要这个，我是这样800块的，就去年要全陶瓷，这样的陶瓷，对啊，中观也是陶瓷，白色全陶瓷。 对，常常说不是全陶瓷。没有，就是自己的叫。就这个。
打游戏说实话，
它这个是全面屏的，
反应不是很惊艳。
控制键的一个功能，上拉选题的话就是功能键可以调出后排菜单键的一个功能，然后在任意界面你主要的话都是反回上一级。
All right. Julia has been playing this game for like 10 minutes.
看这个，挺好的。
So maybe after 1 minute, I'm gonna ask Julia her experience about this Mi MIX2S.
我们现在的话只有4+64，它是也是骁龙845。
Julia is like an advanced gamer, female gamer, sexy gamer. Okay. Julia, I'm gonna ask, how do you feel about this Snapdragon 845?
这好像好像6加的。
等一下。
说中文没事。
就加载游戏的时候，其实没有我想象中的就是那么顺畅，它有一点点卡，你知道吗？就加载个游戏，我等到地老天荒去了，就没有我想的刷的速度。我不知道是因为网络的原因，还是因为它本身。
它是样品原因，因为它里面有我们的小米演示程序。
这样子的吗？
对的。
对，它加载游戏超级无敌慢。
是的，因为它里面它是我们的有小米演示的程序在。对的，当你现在是安的王者对吧？当你切换到小米演示程序后，它会刷新所有的程序。
这样子的。
是的。
发烫其实还好，就没有说，就上次我们用那个小米5的时候打游戏确实蛮发烧的，这个就还好。
That's it. Okay, and this Xiaomi staff is gonna demonstrate the AI speaker for us. 我开始吧。
小爱同学，明天天气怎么样？对吧？
还可以再比如说明天穿什么？
小爱同学，我想听薛之谦的歌。
Amazing. So he said he wants to listen to some, celebrity song.
暂停。
Excellent.
这种还是挺好用的。
哦，谢谢。
可以了。
So we're out now, and here's overview about MIX2S. I think overall it's a great phone, without doubt. The Snapdragon 845, the great performance of the camera, and the ceramic body. I mean, the hand feel is just awesome. It's awesome. But still, something need to be improved. Like the AI dual camera. When we take pictures of of Julia, you can see the edges of the hair. It's really clear. But sometimes the exposure is not even. Sometimes you can see it blurs here with no reason. So that the algorithm need to be improved. And the second, the Snapdragon 845 about like playing games. Actually, it's not that smooth. It's strange. And then Xiaomi staff told me that it's a prototype, it's a demo machine, you know. So it's not that great because of some apps installed. So, but the control the temperature. I mean, when Junior was playing like 10 minutes on it, and the temperature is good. It's not warm at all. That's great. That's a good thing. So we asked my suggestions about the Mix2S. I will suggest you wait until they optimized everything. Wait until Xiaomi optimized everything, and anyway, you have a wide range of options when you buying phones nowadays, even for Xiaomi phones. So that's my honest opinion.